This 2025 Audi RS4 is protected with a Starline i96 immobiliser, so if someone grabbed the key for this vehicle, unlocked it, went to start it, it's going to start up, but the vehicle's going to be locked in park, so they're not going to be able to drive away with it. As you see, we try and select our gear, and the vehicle just springs itself back into park, and it's going nowhere. To drive this, the customer has a simple code. We pop in, we'll wait for a tone, and now it will allow us to select our gear and drive away. It remains in drive, and we're good to go. We can change gear, drive it off, and we know the vehicle's secure. When we turn it off, this takes about 10 seconds to set. So if you got out of the vehicle, someone stole this key off you, or they done a relay attack on the vehicle, went to steal it as soon as you parked up, you know your vehicle's secure and it's not going anywhere. To get one of these fitted, you can either visit our website, immobiliserfit.com, to book your installation, or you can give us a call on 0208 212 7393 to secure your vehicle. This is a Starline i96 immobiliser protecting a brand new Audi RS4. This is a 2025 plate.